Hi friends, welcome to the channel Nurses Forum. In this video, we can see few important MCQs on psychiatric nursing. Let's start. First question. The mentally disturbed client stated tired, mired, chaired, wired during an interview. This type of verbal expression is suggestive of options: blocking, clang association, flight of ideas, loosening of association. And the right answer is clang association. Clang association involves the use of words in the speech that sound similar but have no connection or meaning, and this is commonly seen in those with bipolar disorders and schizophrenia. Next question. The most common type of dementia is Alzheimer's disease, Pick's disease, Parkinson's disease, Tick's disease. The right answer is Alzheimer's disease. Alzheimer's disease is a chronic, progressive, irreversible neurological condition in which diffuse atrophy throughout the cerebral cortex and destructive histopathological changes causes memory loss and cognitive decline. Acetylcholine is a neurotransmitter which is decreased in patients with Alzheimer's disease. Next question. Sudden attack of generalized muscle weakness leading to physical collapse while alert is termed as cataplexy, Klein-Levin syndrome, narcolepsy, nocturnal myoclonus. The right answer is cataplexy. Cataplexy is a sudden muscle weakness that occurs while a person is awake. Some strong emotions may trigger the development of cataplexy. These are laughter, witty conversation, and pleasant surprise. Next question. The nurse expects a client exhibiting flight of ideas to do which of the following? Options. Make sudden stops in the flow of conversation. B. Coin new words or combination of several words. C. Provide excessive detail, those delays starting a point. And the fourth option is talk excessively while frequently shifting from one idea to another. And the right answer is talk excessively while frequently shifting from one idea to another. Flight of ideas is a rapid flow of thought manifested by accelerated with abrupt changes from topic to topic. Next question. Client tells the nurse that his body is made of wood and is quite heavy. The nurse interprets this as which of the following? Options: obsession, compulsion, hallucination, depersonalization. The right answer is depersonalization. Depersonalization is a state in which an individual feels that he himself or the outside world is unreal. A sense of unreality, or the patient may feel body extremities have changed in relative size, or patient may feel one has become a machine. Next question. A 50-year-old patient diagnosed as rectal cancer, and his response to the diagnosis is that nothing is wrong, it is just hemorrhoids. Which defense mechanism he is used? Options: denial, repression, projection, displacement. The right answer is denial. Denial is a mental mechanism. It is a conscious refusal to perceive the painful facts exist, or we can say it's a plain ordinary rejection for resolving the conflicts. Next question. A false belief which the patient thinks that he is being talked about by other people. It is known as delusion of reference, delusion of grandeur, delusion of guilt, delusion of self-accusation. The right answer is delusion of reference. This is a type of delusion in which the patient believes that he is being talked about by others. It is called as delusion of reference. Next question. A monoamino oxidase inhibitor is prescribed for a depressive patient. What should the nurse teach the client to avoid? Options: prolonged exposure to sun, ingesting wines and cheeses, engaging in active physical exercise, over-the-counter NSAID medication. The right answer is ingesting wines and cheeses. MAO inhibitors are prescribed for patients with depression. Cheese and wine contain high tyramine. High tyramine diet should be avoided in patients with MAO inhibitors because MAO inhibitors will decrease the enzyme monoamino oxidase, which is required to break down the tyramine that regulate the blood pressure. High tyramine diet will lead to hypertensive crisis in patients who are on treatment with MAO inhibitors. Next question. Which of the following is the major indication for ECT? Severe mania, phobia, severe depression with suicidal tendency, hysteria. The right answer is severe depression with suicidal tendency. Next question. Preoccupation with fear of having serious physical illness not based on real or organic pathology is termed as options: hypertonicity, hypostasia, hypochondriasis, psychosomatic disorder. The right answer is hypochondriasis. Hypochondriasis or hypochondria is a condition in which a person is excessively and unduly worried about having a serious illness. Thank you for watching this video.